Hello, ma'am. May I know your name, please?
Delnaz Kanor.
Where do you stay in Mumbai?
I stay at Baikala.
Okay. What is the age of your child?
I have a daughter who's 3 years old.
Ma'am, may I know what's your profession?
I'm a teacher by profession.
Okay, that's great. Ma'am, what kind of play school were you actually looking out for your child?
When I associated myself with happiness, I had a son earlier. I do have a son rather.
Okay.
He's 6 years old now.
Okay.
At that time I did scout a lot of play groups in the area, but I finally chose happiness. The only reason was that when I had a word with the provider here, Nafisa ma'am, I found her ideology behind running a play school very similar to what I thought children at that age needed.
Okay.
It was very child driven. It is not curriculum driven. They don't have a fixed curriculum saying that we have to complete ABCD things in a particular month. They leave it up to the child and they move at the child's pace.
Okay.
Which is what I found most comforting about this school.
So, did you consider other play schools as well before coming to Happiness?
Yes, in fact, I always say that I looked at all other play groups in the area and Happiness was the last one that I had come to. But when I came here, it completely changed my mind and everything that I had ever seen before was redundant.
Okay. So, two good things about Happiness play group?
It makes my children happy. And I feel to a very large extent it penetrates to the parent as well, because it makes us very happy. Like I feel like now when both my children are no longer going to be a part of Happiness, I am going to miss Happiness more than my children.
Oh, that's great. One area of improvement you feel might or should happen at Happiness?
In fact, we have been giving constant feedback to Nafisa ma'am to involve more parents. In fact, rather than, I think to a very large extent, educating children also involves educating parents. So, yes, a lot of workshops for parents, not necessarily to do only with parenting, but even with the curriculum or how to teach particular things to the children.
Okay.
How to have fun with the children is also, I think, something parents sometimes need to be taught that.
Okay.
Because we get so tied up with, he has to learn his ABCs and 1, 2, 3s that we forget that the child at the end of the day has to have fun doing it. If not, he's not really going to learn and what he learns will not stay with him.
Yeah. So finally, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Happiness to other parents?
5 on 5, no doubt about it.
Thanks a lot.